chicken. Bam. So before we start this video, I just want to say a couple of different things. I am signing up for the gym. I'm going to start posting gym content, workout content, how to stay fit, how to stay in shape. Every live stream that I do on YouTube, I tend to cook at the end of my live stream. So instead of showing you guys food all the time, we'll show you how to work out and get in shape as well. So I'm officially signing up for the gym. And every time I come to the gym, I'll show you a couple of techniques of what will make my body type grow and show a lot of definition based off the background and fundamentals of gymnastics, of course. And the membership I'll be paying for today is $270 lei for 2 months. How much is that? Yeah, that's $270 lei. Okay, cool.
ID for the gym, just I'm going to give you the receipt.
One chicken. Let's get it started. Here we go. Filet garlic. Gotta get that garlic on deck. Season that bad boy down. Gotta hit him with the Okay, put that to the side. Hold on. Gotta get a little bit of pepper, black pepper flakes. Let's get this chili flakes in. Chili flakes. I need a lot of chili because you know I like the spicy. Imagine how if I went to Italy. I mean, not Italy, India. Oh, spicy. I'll be blowing up on the toilet.
Oh my God. He's shit everywhere. There's shit everywhere. Damn it. There's shit on the window. Oh my God. He's shit everywhere.
But let's calm that down, all right? Move this to the side. Let's just massage that chicken. You gotta mix that chicken in, baby. Mix that chicken in from down to up to down. Now we gotta put a little butter in the pan. Let it sizzle. Ooh, get the chopped onions. My chopped onion skills is trash. But then we gotta put the chicken in, place it down into a pattern formation. Hold on, let me fix this pattern a little bit. Yeah, get that one right there. Let's get some more chicken. Bada boom, bada bang. Gotta do it slow. Take it. Perfection is key. Adonis Ramsey, baby. Adonis Ramsey. Nah, let me stop. I'm talking wow. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get it. Got all the chickens in place. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Let's go. A little small piece right in the middle. Ooh, and we gotta wash and cut our veggies. You gotta eat food with a veggie, bro. You gotta put the greens to get that green. You gotta get the greens to be on the team. I don't got a chopping board, so I'm gonna just use my hands because I'm a savage. Spicy, bougie, ratchet. Hey, I gotta clean it thoroughly, all right? Clean that salad thoroughly. Don't want no ants, no bugs, no dirt. Yep, get some chopped green onions in that bad boy right there. Chopped green onions. And I found the orange tomato. Oh my God, like I said, I got only one knife, and that knife is very dull. But look at my orange tomato. It look like mango, right? You gotta season that bad boy up. We need a little bit of olive oil on that. Yeah, just to make it a little bit saucy. Squeeze hash that onion. Gotta squeeze that lemon. Look at I'm working out. Look at those biceps. Oh my God. Oh man, baby. Whoa, Nelly. Look at that chicken there. Oh my God. Ladies, if your man can't do this, leave him, okay? If he can't cook, you already know it's orange tomatoes. Oh my God, chicken salad. Let's go. That's how you make a Caesar salad from the ghetto, baby. Well, what am I talking? Why am I talking like that? Let me get some sweet chili sauce right there. Throw that on that bad boy right there. This is about to taste. Boom, amazing. Now it's time to taste that boy. Let me taste it. Ooh, delicious. Of deliciousness. And don't forget about the top 10 World 11 donators in the live streams. We got Alex Burke in the #1 position. I know you guys see that. Lee Wayne is in the 2nd position. Lee, you see what happened? Alex took your spot. Battle Hounds as #3. The Karen King, you already know. A new contender. I think his name is Zane. And #5, you already know. Imagine Breaker. Are you a break dancer or not? Ivan with #6. Prodigy English with #7. Donna with #8. Hello Wild with #9. Chico with #10. Durai, like Dubai, with #11. Let's see who's going to be the top donator next week. Show your love, not your anger. Every live stream Saturday will be the next live stream. Let's get it.
Just joshing, we spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports to the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro just don't give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville, I move like a dime. Fettuccine and Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard my deep stroke, she said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified free hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my free throw. Goddamn.